All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 338 Northeast Serpentine Place. I already ran this out once and got to about 90 feet out, where I ran into a blockage about 90 feet out. So let's see if I can get back out there again. So here is the Y located in the yard now, about 6 feet deep. This is right before the fence line to the neighbor to the north's house. So through that Y, then we go into a PVC repair, where you see a tie-in there and a tie-in there. Let me flip the camera around, we're upside down. Turn. We get to a sharp turn right there. I'd have to look at the map now to see where we're going, because I don't want to go crawling around in the neighbor's yard to do any more locating at this point. It's 7 a.m. this morning. But the line's all open through here, and then it starts to hold water. And it's holding water for probably the next, 50 some odd feet until we get out to the clog. All this is underwater. That's where your clog is. So we're about 90 feet out there. I'd have to see the map to see where we're going again, because I don't want to go into the neighbor's yard. But we're definitely holding water back there. And there's something clogging the line right here. So coming back from there, we'll go a little slower coming back. We're not going to see anything through this first 50 feet or so. Because again, we're all underwater here. Should be popping out, yep. So, pipe's back open at this point. You can actually see the pipe. We got an old concrete line. So wide turn there. Looks like we got some cracking maybe. Starting to break there at this turn. Come back, we'll go into that PVC repair again. So there's that PVC, another turn. A couple of tie-ins, tie in there, tie in there. This is the Y that's already located out in the yard. I located it again just to double check it. It's about 6 feet deep. And that's headed towards the north side neighbor's property. Got this concrete line that's old and getting a little aggregate. You can see it's getting rough along the bottom and it's starting to wear out. It's from, I'm guessing, 40-50 years of water running over it plus. Little stretch of cast iron there and then into ABS plastic and out of clean out here. So, man, the recording there and get that over to you, John.